As you may know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get monetized on YouTube. In my last video, I shared some important secrets and tips on how to get 1,000 subscribers quickly. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 6 ways to get to 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible. At the end, I'm also going to share with you a bonus tip that is the most important thing to do, so be sure to take notes and stay with me until the very end. Number 1. Make list videos. For example, rather than just saying that you're going to share tips, say that you're going to share the top 5 tips. By making a list and making that clear in the beginning, it will build anticipation and retention. Number 2. Create playlists. Let's say your channel is about technology. Then you can make playlist categories like phones, computers, and tablets. People who just want to watch videos on phones will be able to binge watch your phone videos from your playlist, thereby increasing watch time. Number 3. Create a playlist called Most Popular Videos, which will further attract viewers to your most popular videos. Number 4. Upload videos on only one specific niche. This will help YouTube's algorithm to more quickly figure out who to suggest your videos to. Number 5. Figure out what works and focus on those video ideas. Go to your analytics, see which videos have the highest watch percentage and click-through rates. Then make more videos like them. Number 6. Put your best performing videos as your channel trailer rather than creating a separate channel trailer. Finally, I want to give you a bonus tip that is actually the most important tip of all. YouTube success is largely a numbers game. You have to make a lot of videos consistently. Of course, your videos have to fill a specific niche and have good content, but if you only upload one video a month, you're not likely to have as much success as if you uploaded once a week. I recommend uploading at least one video a week, and keep it going. You usually need about 30 to 40 videos before you begin to see growth. Usually, one video will take off and trigger others on your channel to get viewed, so don't give up. Keep making videos and think about how to make improvements along the way. Lastly, if you have the will and the means, the quickest way to YouTube success is to learn from a YouTube master who has already done what you want to do. Matt Parr has over 10 very successful YouTube channels and offers what I believe is the best course on how to make money on YouTube. There's a link in the description you can check out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.